Hey guys, what's up? This is Shaumit Seth and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today in this video, finally, we have the ultimate gaming and video editing rig that we have built for some classy gaming and video editing, and we're going to be reviewing this. It has the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and the RTX 3060 Ti. So without any further ado, let's review this beast. That was the B-roll. I hope you have enjoyed it. Now let's get started off with the review. First off, we have the processor, which is the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, which is a 5th gen AMD processor, which comes with 12 core and 24 threads. It has a base clock of 3.7 GHz and it can go up to 4.8 GHz. This processor is currently retailing at a price of 41,800 rupees on Amazon. This is the ASUS Strix B550F gaming motherboard, which is an ATX motherboard that comes with Wi-Fi 6E, a Gen 4 PCI Express slot, dual M.2 slots, and the I/O has great selection of ports as well. It comes with two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Type A and Type C ports, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 5 audio jacks, 1 HDMI and 1 display port, and a 2.5 GB Ethernet port. It is currently retailing at a price of 21,725 on Amazon. Next, we have the GPU, which is the RTX 3060 Ti OC edition from Gigabyte. This is a 8GB DDR6 graphic card which comes with WindForce 3x cooling system, 2 HDMI and 2 display ports, and a RGB Gigabyte branding. I bought this for 57,500, but it is currently retailing at a price of 80,000 on Amazon. Next, we have the G-Skill Trident Z 16GB RAM. I have gone for dual channel, which adds up to 32GB of RAM. This is a DDR4 RGB RAM, which is retailing at a price of 9,168 on Amazon. For cooling, I went for the Cooler Master's Master Liquid ML240L, which is an RGB AIO cooler. This is one of the best AIO cooler available that comes with two 120mm fans that are quiet without compromising on airflow and pressure. The radiator surface area has also been enlarged to increase the surface area for heat dissipation for optimized cooling performance. This is retailing at a price of 7,099 on Amazon. To power all these mind-blowing specs, you require a powerful power supply, and in my case, I have decided to rely on Cooler Master's V850 Gold V2 power supply, which is a fully modular power supply. This is retailing at a price of 12,399 on Amazon. For storage, I have used two M.2 SSDs, 1 TB each, and a 2 TB hard drive. For this build, I have bought the Deepcool Matrix 55 Mesh, which is a mid-tower gaming cabinet which comes pre-installed with 4 ARGB fans and supports all motherboard form factors. This is actually a very sturdy cabinet and best for ventilation in a budget. This is retailing at a price of 5,350 on Amazon. Finally, here comes the monitor which outputs all your hardware's performance. This is the Acer Nitro VG240YS Full HD 165Hz gaming monitor. This monitor comes with a 99% sRGB, a max brightness of 250 nits, dual stereo speakers, 2 HDMI and 1 display port. This is a 23.8 inches monitor retailing at a price of 13,999 on Amazon. I played some AAA titles on this PC in GTA 5 at ultra high settings. I got an average of 80 FPS. In Red Dead Redemption 2 at ultra settings we got an average of 51 FPS. In CSGO at ultra high settings we got an average FPS between 250 to 350 FPS. Up on the screen is the CINEBENCH score of this PC for single and multi-core. Apart from gaming, we also used this PC for creativity as well, and the performance was very smooth. It took 2 to 3 minutes to render a 5-minute 4K video on Premiere Pro, and I also worked on Autodesk Maya, and the 3D processing was also very fast. Okay guys, so this was my take on this PC build. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Under 200k, these are the best specs. However, if you ask me, I would suggest you to buy a decent CPU, maybe a 8-core one, and go for a better GPU, maybe a 3070. If you have any queries regarding this PC build, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I would be happy to answer to all of them. Also, the links for all the products shown in this video would be linked down in the description, so you can check them out. If you're new here, then do consider hitting the subscribe button, and I would see you in my next video. Till then, peace.